Where's your head? Your hair. Hair. Nose. Your eyes. Eyes. Nasaan yung eyes mo? Ears yan eh. Where's your eyes? Where's your ears? Your mouth. Where's your lips? Lips. Your tongue. Teeth. Teeth. Neck. Shoulder. Shoulder. Where's your arms? Arms. Hands. Hands. Fingers. Fingers. Where's your tummy? Tummy. Where's your legs? Legs. Where's your feet? Feet. Where's your pepe? Sweat. Ang galing nga! Yay! Clap, clap! Good job!